Alright guys, today on DocksideTV, we're catching beautiful reds, a few trout, a couple bass. We came up here to sight fish, but what we've noticed is due to Hurricane Irma, which is north of us right now, we're getting all of the winds from the storm coming out the west and northwest. And what it's done is it's dropped the water tremendously. As you could see on the Weather Channel and CNN and all of that, how they were talking about how Tampa Bay and all of those areas over there in Florida, it was sucking the water out hundreds of yards out into their bay where it was dry land. It's doing the same effect here, but it's just, you know, the water probably dropped about 3 feet due to this wind. And what we're doing, look, we got a mullet right here. He just jumped in the boat because of the water being so low, and we're just going in these little bayous. What we're doing is just jigging these little bayous, these creeks that feed into the ponds, because usually we're sight fishing the ponds, we have water, but due to this low water, it's sucked all the fish out of the ponds, and it's got the reds and stuff, and all, you know, the bass. Got a bass right here too, we just caught. Got mullets jumping in the boat. But we've had one heck of a day. Did not plan on doing this, and that's the name of the game. You just got to have an open mind when you go fishing. And when I saw the water was absolutely gone and we weren't going to be able to get in the ponds, I figured it had to trap the fish into the deeper little ditches, and that's it.
Pull a little scale out of there. Slide it right on in. Right underneath the skin. Get a little tug back, let it set itself.
Tag number 75. Call a number on the tag and receive a prize from MatrixShad.com. Go to MatrixShad.com as we have sight fishing redfish videos, and now we got jigging redfish in the deeper waters. And we're just getting back from fishing Florida, and we had to run back home, run back west to get away from Irma. And this is her right here. Not a cloud in the sky, but northwest winds in September are pretty odd. It's got to be from Irma, and it's just blowing the water out. So we're going to get on some more of these hammers. You guys have a great day and keep on fishing.